Lignum vitae, meaning wood of life in Latin, refers to several species in the genus Guaiacum, particularly Guaiacum officinale and Guaiacum sanctum. These slow-growing trees or shrubs are renowned for their incredibly dense, durable wood and medicinal resin. Native to the Caribbean, northern South America, and parts of Central America, Lignum vitae has long held historical, cultural, industrial, and ecological importance. Botanical classification. Family, Zygophalaceae. Genus, Guaiacum. Species, most commonly Guaiacum officinale and Guaiacum sanctum. Common names, Lignum vitae, tree of life, ironwood, Palo Santo, not to be confused with Becerra graveolens. Physical description. Lignum vitae trees are typically small to medium-sized, rarely exceeding 30 feet, 9 meters, in height. They are characterized by leaves, evergreen, compound, and leathery with 2 to 4 pairs of leaflets. Flowers, beautiful 5-petaled blue or purple flowers bloom in clusters and are often considered ornamental. Fruit, the fruit is a small, heart-shaped capsule containing several seeds, often surrounded by a reddish or yellowish aril. Bark, grayish and furrowed in older trees. Wood, exceptionally dense and hard, with a greenish-brown to dark brown color. It is self-lubricating due to its resin content, making it ideal for machinery components. Lignum vitae is so dense it sinks in water, with a Janka hardness of over 4,500 lbf, making it one of the hardest woods known. Geographic distribution. Lignum vitae is native to the Caribbean, example Jamaica, the Bahamas, Cuba, and the Dominican Republic. Central America. The northern coast of South America, example Venezuela and Colombia. Florida Keys, limited population of G. sanctum. Due to overharvesting, it is now rare in the wild and is considered endangered. Uses. 1. Medicinal uses. The name wood of life comes from its historic role in herbal medicine. Traditionally, the resin, Guaiacum resin or guaiac, has been used for treating arthritis and rheumatism, acting as a diuretic and laxative, treating syphilis in the 16th and 17th centuries in Europe, serving as an anti-inflammatory. Today, these uses are mostly historical or relegated to herbal traditions. 2. Industrial and mechanical uses. Because of its hardness, self-lubricating nature, and resistance to friction and wear, the wood has been used in bearings and bushings in ship propeller shafts, especially before synthetic polymers. Mallets and pulley sheaves. Bowling balls and mortars. Gear parts in early submarines and aviation. 3. Craftsmanship and ornamental uses. The wood's beauty and density make it ideal for luxury items such as carvings, gavel blocks, used in courtrooms, walking sticks, jewelry boxes, artifacts. Conservation status. Lignum vitae has been severely overharvested for its valuable wood. As a result, Guaiacum officinale is listed in Appendix 2 of CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, restricting international trade. The IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, classifies several Guaiacum species as endangered or near threatened. Conservation efforts include habitat preservation, propagation in botanical gardens, and enforcing trade regulations. Ecological significance. Lignum vitae trees support local biodiversity. Their flowers attract bees and butterflies, aiding in pollination. Birds and small mammals eat the fruit. They are drought tolerant and thrive in tropical, coastal, and rocky environments. These trees help stabilize soil in dry, eroded areas and are suitable for xeriscaping. Cultural and symbolic importance. Lignum vitae is the national tree of the Bahamas and its flower is the national flower of Jamaica, highlighting its symbolic and ecological importance in the Caribbean. The tree has historical and spiritual significance in traditional medicine and folklore, often associated with strength, endurance, and healing. Growth and cultivation. Due to its slow growth rate and need for specific tropical conditions, cultivating Lignum vitae requires patience. Prefers full sun and well-drained soils. Tolerates poor, sandy soils and coastal winds. Grows slowly, often taking decades to reach maturity. Propagated by seeds, which require scarification and soaking to germinate. It is not commonly grown for timber anymore due to conservation concerns. Conclusion. Lignum vitae is a unique and historically rich plant known for its unparalleled wood density, medicinal value, and ornamental appeal. Its endangered status is a reminder of the consequences of overexploitation, and it now stands as a symbol of conservation. Whether revered as the wood of life or admired for its brilliant blue flowers and cultural resonance, Lignum vitae remains one of the most extraordinary plants on earth.